Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from the moving part series, and this is the 7th one in this series out of 8. So I bought this for 399 rupees. So this is the Indian edition, and so don't buy it anywhere else for more than this MRP. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car is it looks nice. The paint job is a bit glittery. So most of this moving part series, in this particular series it is actually glittery, the paint job. Again, the headlights are painted, and the same goes for the tail lights as well. So the wheels are made of plastic, and the openable part is the doors. So here it is. So this has a nice satisfying click to it. It is not loose. So all this detailing are actually paint jobs, and there is no grill here actually. It is just painted over. Okay, let's do a roll test. That is really smooth, but it is not fast or anything, and the rear wheel has some wobble. But still this looks really nice. The paint job is really nice. I don't see any irregularities here. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.